Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to USN Mix channel. Today's topic is how to create shortcut on desktop Chrome. So if there is any important website which you are using daily basis on, if every day you need this website to search or for such as email, Gmail or any Facebook or whatever you are using daily, so you need, this is very short easy tips and very useful tips to create shortcut, and it is easy to use daily basis. So today I'll show you how to create shortcuts of any website, and it is for Chrome browser. But before start, I want to say, if you are new in our channel, then subscribe our channel. Science and technology related topics mainly discussed in this channel. If you like our video and like our channel, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe and make comments, and also click on the bell button on the right side. If you click on the bell button, you will get notification for the next videos. To get full information, please watch the video from the beginning to the end, otherwise you do not get the full information and miss many useful information on these topics. Okay friends, let's start. This is the very good computer tricks today. So I just show you how to create apps. See, there is Google, this Google search engine, and now if you want to create Facebook app, suppose I just search Facebook, and this is already signed in my browser, so this is my Facebook account. If I need to Facebook account easily open, then how can I create? See, there is another app. See, there is also apps. When you just click on the Google Chrome, there you have seen in the left side corner show apps. So just click on the show apps. See, there is already this apps, Oyster, Airwide, Instagram. So whatever I am using this app, so this apps is showing in this apps button. You can go to the back, and also you just know this is the show app left corner. This is the dotted line. You just click on it and you have seen there is the apps, whatever you are used in last used. So this is saved as apps here. How can you create these apps of any website, and it is a shortcut on your desktop? So today I'll show you, and this tricks is very helpful, very useful for everyone who are using this website regularly, check regularly. So if you need to check every time Facebook, then you do not need to log in again and again and also browsing this facebook.com. Don't need to write, you just make one app for this facebook.com in your desktop, and just click once and it is open. So how can you create this? You have seen this in the right corner, there is one 3 dot, customize and control Google Chrome. So on this you just click on that, and there is one button is settings. You just click on this settings. Not settings. There is, you have seen more tools. So click on more tools, and there is a create shortcut. Click on these shortcuts. Just when you click on these shortcuts, create this name. So I just need this name, Facebook. I need this name, Facebook, and just I check this box for open as window. So it is already open. Now I just create it. Just click on create. So it is created, and it looks like that. It looks like that. So I just take it on my desktop. See, there is one icon, Facebook, and also I click here from these apps. You have seen one app, Facebook, is come in this app section. So from here you just close all the buttons. Now you just double click on it on these apps, and you have seen this Facebook account is open. So it is very easy to use. And another way, I just click on another, I just take another browser like anything. I just show you my YouTube. These websites I need regularly use to open. So this is my YouTube account. I want to make shortcut of this YouTube. So just go to the more tools options. First go to the right top corner of this Chrome browser, and you have seen 3 dotted line, and for this settings, from you just click on here, there is one pop-up menu come, and there you find more tools, and click on this more tools. You have seen just hover the mouse on this mode tool, another pop-up comes, and there you have seen this one create shortcut button, create shortcut options. So click on this create shortcut. There is also one pop-up come, and here is a create shortcut. There is final permission to create shortcut of this YouTube. You just channel dashboard YouTube Studio, just check this box, open as window, check this box and create. So it looks like that. Just close all the buttons, and you have seen another channel opens. See, it is easy to open my website as an apps. So, and also you have seen, I just open my Google Chrome, and there is one apps option. So just click on it. You have seen this channel dashboard YouTube Studio is created. So this apps is created in your Chrome browser. So this is very simple tricks, and it also very helpful. You don't need to take it on the take this channel on this. You have seen this is the taskbar, and when I just close all the boxes, the website is no need to open anything. So there is no taskbar button of YouTube. Just over the mouse on this shortcut, and now click on right click. There you have seen pin to taskbar. So click on pin to taskbar. Then this, you have seen this YouTube shortcut created, insert in your taskbar. Just click on once and your channel is open. If this channel is very urgent, very important for you, then you make this shortcut for your preference, and in one click YouTube is open, and in one click the Facebook or any other website, whatever you need more, then you can make it apps, and you make it as a shortcuts, and also create it, and you also make this Facebook as a pin to taskbar. So see, this pin comes in the Facebook, and it also insert as a taskbar. So it is easy to open, and this computer tips and tricks helps you to create apps of any website, and or create shortcuts of your website, of your important website or useful website, whatever which you used most. So this is the tricks. I think you like this video, like these tricks, so you can like our video today. And now I want to say, if you don't need to these apps right now, and you just want to remove it from your apps section, so just go to the Chrome, and you have seen this app section, just click on these apps. So you just right click on it, and there is one options, remove from Chrome. So just click on it, remove from Chrome, and there is one pop-up is asking finally remove Facebook, yes, and also remove from Chrome, also clear data from Chrome Studio YouTube. You can check it or not, whatever this apps is removed from your app section of this Chrome, and you have seen there is no data, and also no pin is there. So this is the easy and simple tips how can you create shortcuts and on your Chrome desktop Chrome, and how of any website you can make it, and how can easily use it. You can pin it to your taskbar, and you can also use it easily, and you can also remove it whatever you don't need more these apps for, you can remove it also. So this is very good tips, and this is very good computer tips and tricks and useful tips to create shortcuts, and this is very helpful for users who are using this computer, this website very much. So if you are using Facebook every day, so you can make it shortcuts in your Chrome browser, and also make it pin it to the taskbar. So that's it about our video today, and after watching this video, now you can know how to create shortcut on desktop Chrome. Hope you'll enjoy this video and like this video. Thanks for watching this video. If you like our video on our channel, then you can like, share, subscribe of our Use and Mix YouTube channel. And if you have any information regarding this video or want to ask more, then you can make comments in the comment section on this video of our Use and Mix YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video once again. Thank you.